being a leader and leading by example too. Like people are gonna follow when you do certain things. So.
Making sure that you try to reach out to people, just checking in with people, asking how they're doing, being friendly could be helpful.
Ultimately, building personal relationships with one another. I think relationships and networking with one another helps us feel comfortable about coming out about a lot of different things.
They say something like, hey, you took that too far. They can step in and say, they can agree, they can support you, they can say, hey, yeah, man, like that is too far. You probably take a step back.